Regrowing store-bought food that you have sitting in your fridge? Is that even possible? Why, yes it is, and I'm going to help you get started. Hey y'all, hey, it's Ashley Renee, and welcome back to my little corner of the internet where I show you sustainable and plant-based ways to have a healthier body, a smarter home, and a greener planet. Now, every month on Instagram, I do an eco challenge where I challenge you to spend 30 days working on some kind of eco-friendly habit. Now, a couple months back, I chose to do a regrow challenge. So today I'm sharing with you the results of one of the foods I regrew, and I'm showing you how I did it. P.S. Have you ever tried regrowing food before? If so, drop me a comment below on what you did. Now, this little baby is a scallion, and it's come quite a long way from its humble beginnings as a piece of food scrap. Now, I'm going to start out by sharing the simplest way to regrow it, but then I'm going to share a bonus tip that will show you how to triple it in size so that you get even more bang for your buck. Because real talk, at this rate, I don't think I'll ever have to buy scallions again. All right, so step one. The beautiful thing about scallions is when you buy them from the store, the roots are already there. Side note, please ignore how janky my scallions look. They were in the fridge one day too many. Anyway, you're just going to start out by cutting your scallion right above the root, and then proceed to cook the green parts as you normally would. Now on to step two. So this is the easy method. If you don't have any soil or pots, scallions can be regrown simply by filling up a small glass of water and plopping these roots right in. So here we have our glass of water. I'm making sure the roots are fully submerged, and one thing to note here about this water is you will want to change it out every 2 to 3 days to keep it fresh. Lastly, find a nice sunny spot to put your glass of scallion on. A sunny windowsill, a patio, just make sure it's getting sunlight. Now, doing it this way, you will notice the scallions will magically regrow super fast. In a matter of a week even, you'll see these things coming to life. Now, I could have stopped there, but a friend of mine who sells and grows her own seeds told me to go ahead and plant it in a pot of soil. She said it'll triple. I thought it was already impressive the way it was, but I took her advice, I planted it in soil, and I left it out on my patio. I watered it every day, and lo and behold, it grew way bigger than I ever expected it to. And once you're ready to harvest these, just take some scissors and trim about 75% of the green from the plant. This will allow the green shoots to grow back in over the course of about 2 weeks. Scallions are hands down the easiest store-bought food I have ever regrown, y'all. It was low maintenance and extremely fast growing. Learning how to not only grow food, but regrow food from scraps you have in your fridge is a sustainable skill that anybody can experiment with and master on their own. It helps cut down on food waste, it puts money back into your pocket, and it helps you become just a little less dependable on the grocery store. So, what do you say? Think you'll give it a try? If so, share this video with your friends and family and get them to try it with you. They can be your accountability partners. Now, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. You can also subscribe for more vegan and sustainable lifestyle videos headed your way. Thanks for watching, y'all, and until next time, stay green, y'all.